Via Rail baggage allowance. What can I bring? Packing for Via Rail and unsure what actually makes it on board? Here's the clean, no-nonsense answer. You always get one personal item. Think laptop bag, purse, or small backpack that fits under the seat. On most corridor trains, Toronto, Ottawa, Montreal, Quebec City, you can also bring a small carry-on that fits in the
You're all set.
overhead
Have a nice trip.
and meets
Thank you.
posted size weight limits. Gate agents do check. Many corridor departures do not offer checked baggage at all, so if your bag won't fit overhead, you'll need to lighten it or choose a train with checking. Long-distance routes, like the Canadian or the ocean, usually allow checked baggage in the luggage car, with piece, size,
this way,
and
sir.
weight
Thank you.
limits printed on your ticket. Arrive early enough to tag and drop it before boarding. Exemptions apply for strollers, car seats, mobility aids, and essential medical devices. Hazardous materials are a no-go. Bottom line, confirm your train number, see whether checked service is offered, and measure and weigh your bags before you go.